This is how we all helped save Maria's birthday. Maria is a personal trainer who gets knee pain when she squats. In addition to getting her a birthday cake, we wanted to get her pain-free squatting for her special day. We did an assessment and found she has a little bit of knock knee posture. On her hip test, she scored herself a 2 out of 10 on one side and a 4 out of 10 on the other. But I said she's being way too hard on herself. I would have given her a 2.5 and a 4.5. By the way, only one person in the audience laughed at that little joke of mine. We did a knock-knee corrective series. A common mistake is that people might do only one adductor stretch, but we loosen all the adductors with a series of stretches to do a more complete job. We also do an exercise that hits all 3 glute muscles. One glute drill to rule them all. That's a Lord of the Rings reference. Again, only one person laughed, so I almost walked home after that. Glad I came back though, because when we tested everything, her hips had gone from a 2 and 4 out of 10 to a 9.5 out of 10 on both sides. And the best part is she's now pain-free on squats for her special day. High fives and birthday cake for everybody. Best birthday ever.